I forced the Scratch team to add a block, so let me explain. 3 years ago, I made this video where I detected if a user was online or not. And the method I used was I went to extensions and I clicked on this extension. So you can see this requires the internet. So if I do like translate, let's say timer to a random language, to pick any one of these, it would be equal to nothing when you are offline. And so if you did not this, right now this will be online because this will not be equal to this. But they actually disabled this method and it doesn't work anymore. So if I go offline, just turn my Wi-Fi off, you can see it's still working. It'll take a bit more time, but as you can see, the end result was still true. So this method doesn't work anymore. So here's the official announcement from ScratchCat. So it's saying, hey Scratchers, we added this new block and meet the network connectivity block or the online block. And it even mentions Scratchers using workarounds. So it says here, adapting existing blocks or extensions. And this will actually allow your project to check whether or not a user is online easily. But I don't buy this explanation, because why would they do this and not for any of the other blocks that people were requesting? It also says, why did we release this block? Because some Scratchers adapted the extensions and this provides a built-in solution. Well, that's why I went to their GitHub to see what the real answer was. And here it is. So this is the proposed change, and here is the reason for the change. So this was the first proposal. If is online, then you can see they just removed the is. It says Scratch users have discovered ways to check for online status, most commonly by repeatedly using the translate extension, which is what I showed. And while I applaud the ingenuity, thank you, this approach generates excess load on the translate infrastructure. So basically, it was putting too much pressure on the website, so they added the block. And if I go here, I can just show you guys the block. So you just go to sensing, then you go down, and there it is. You have the block, so online, now it's true. And when I turn my internet off, test out now, it's false. So yeah, that's the story. I hope Scratch adds more blocks I propose too. If you like this block, then check out these new blocks too.